Please welcome Master Carlos Machado. Everybody, please be seated.
What a moment for me as the youngest brother with my oldest brother. So we definitely have a connection since early age where Carlos was always a role model, a teacher to me, and always guiding me, pulling my ears when he needed to, smack me when I had to. But not only for myself, but all the youngest brothers, all the Machados. So his example and his role model served us as a guide in life. And I have no words to mention him as a teacher. So throughout my learning, the Machados learning, and all the younger Gracie generation of my age, Carlos was the main teacher in the Gracie Academy for all those years, helping forming the champions in Brazil, the future teachers of today. And to see this journey, so when Higan called us over 30 years ago from the United States, saying, can you guys come to help me? I want to go expand. I love America. I want to compete. I want to compete in wrestling, in sambo. I want to grow. And I remember talking to Carlos, calling him, and telling him what Higan mentioned on the phone. Picture those old phones, the dial-up stuff, no cell phones. And he didn't hesitate. He said, let's go to America. Let's help Higan. And the rest is history. We came, we made here at home. So he always promoted me. So I was thinking on the way here, man, that's an interesting situation. So today I'm being part of this promotion to my oldest brother. But life teaches, history teaches, many times the lesser promotes the greater. So my name is John, so I'm John the Baptist today. All right?
All right.
So thank you. That's all I have to say. Very excited. Thank you.
Carlos Machado Jiu Jitsu Association would like to proudly recognize Master Carlos Machado for receiving his 8th degree and his red and white coral belt.
Make sure you understand the gentlemen who are here with me, with Master Joe Machado, are my first black belts. And amongst my first black belts, lawyer students, since I first came to Texas. And I never was able to form a black belt until I came here, because every time I almost had one, I would move to some other place. So I would more than happily find myself in this situation. Several years ago, I granted you the black belt and helped you choose this journey. I'm honored to have you here today. Help me tie the knot of the rank that my brother is bestowing upon me with the witness of all of you. Go ahead.
1, 2, 3.
Now is the tough part. Okay, what do I say? Can everybody hear me okay? Is the mic working? All right, cool. Gosh. So, John, what can I tell you, man? I'll try to stay on point, okay? I'm blessed. For the family I was born into, thank you. I believe you chose to be in our family, from wherever you came from. And I treasure you more than you can know. Thanks for being available and do this to me. Thank you. My black belts. You changed my lives, I believe, more than I changed yours. You all made me a better person. Believe me. Thank you for keeping me honest. I teach you all I know. And all I know is that you keep giving me more and more. So thank you. Thank you for being who you are, all of you, and being my students and disciples and role models on your own end. All that I see here is a mission. You know, you guys are part of a family. You guys are part of a legacy. We're not here just to learn jiu-jitsu. We're not here just to do techniques. We are here to change lives. Right now, we don't want to change your life. We want to change the life of your family and your future generations. That's my goal. And I hope that this is just the beginning of a lot more to come. Despite all the year, what everybody said, I feel when you have a mission, you have a direction. With that said, and I know I have to keep sharp and sweet, thank you, Adam, for being a brother and for helping me out to this. All the crew, nephews, I love you guys. Thank you so much for being here with me. My sons, Colton and Ray, and I know KK and Garrison are here, you know, in spirit at this moment. All my family, my brothers-in-law, all of you are family, all the instructors, Brad, Johnny, Gregor, you know, Bubba Bush, Chris Massey. I can name each one of you because I remember your name, but it's going to take too long and beat the 90-second mark. So I can't do that. The mission is to change lives. And this is the reason that I am here, because there's no other reason for me to pursue what I do than making sure that I do my best to make you become your best. So it's a very hard mission. We have our ups and downs, but I will never lose my enthusiasm to do it, because the fact that you're here standing today and I have these wonderful people here next to me is a proof that the choice I made, instead of being a lawyer, becoming a martial arts instructor, was the right one. Of course, there are many other choices in life. I want to save the last, is the young lady right there. I was trying not to cry, Lindsay. I wouldn't do without you, know that. I want to thank every minute of our lives together for all that you always do for me. I'm not going to extend this too much, but I'm going to say this. You and I know that I made the right choice since I laid my eyes on you. And when I told your dad that if you're a little younger, or maybe I was a little older, that I could have become his son-in-law, you know, was that the other way around? Sorry, see, I'm messing up. So if she was a little older or me a little younger, sorry. Okay, you guys got the message. I met her at the very right time when I was not in trouble. Okay? With that said, thank you for giving me the greatest blessings of my life. Your love and our children and everything you've done for me. Thank you, Lindsay. I love you. Thank you. Last but not the least, every single one of you in front of me. You are the reason we do this, and it's not you being here for me. Always understand that I am here for you. That's it for now. Thank you very much.